Today we are doing only up in Gorilla Tag, and it's gonna be definitely fun. Let's get into this.
Wait, bro, wait up!
Do,
Wait
do,
up,
do,
I
do,
didn't load!
do, do, do,
Hurry
do.
up and wait!
Hurry up and get going. Oh, bro, I hate my arm when it's always glitchy.
Wait, is this like... Wait, what happened here? That's amazing! Wait, was this like a recreative forest but knocked down?
Yeah, we have to get to the very top.
Oh, and later we have to check out that knocked over stump.
There's nothing in it. It's just monkey up.
How do I get over there?
Climb up the, like, figure it out. You gotta climb up. You gotta climb up the tree house. Look what I do. No, follow me. I came down for you. Okay, so look, come here. Climb this up. And then, already up on top.
It took me a couple tries though. I've done this a couple times. Just keep trying. You only fell once, not that bad. Compared to how much I fell. I fell a lot. It's not my first day. I fell over like 500 times. Now I'm gonna pinch climb this. Did you make it? Nice, now you gotta get up there. Don't fall. I mean, you could. Why the heck is everything floating?
It's monkey up.
Oof. I literally almost fell. Oh, the slide. You just gotta pinch climb the side of the slide.
I didn't.
Oh,
I swear I just fell.
wait, you
I
did?
mean, I swear if I just fell, I'd jump out of the map. Then my game would crash.
Yeah.
I'd be all alone with possible ghosts.
Oh, bro, I hate this.
My worst nightmare just happened. I'm out.
Why? What do you mean?
My son was virtual something and wait for you to come down.
Why?
And miserably. I was all the way up there. I felt like I was going to succeed, but then I fell. I fucking had to.
Oh, that's sad. Just keep trying. Don't give up.
Wait, you're recording.
Never give up, bro.
Okay. You fall down.
No! I'm so bad at this. Yeah! Finally, I made it up here. This is my new record.
I gotta be my stupid new record.
Oh.
3 inches up.
Oh my god.
Why do they look so complicated? Wait, also, what happened when we got to the top?
I don't know.
I wonder if it's like the more virtual competitive mode.
What?
Competitive mode, but virtualistic.
What the? No, my worst nightmare. Pinch climb.
What do you think your worst nightmare is going
No, I almost fell. And I fell.
You actually fell?
Yeah.
Wait, look, you see me up here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump. Wait, if we make it, should we like, should we jump
Oh, where do I need to go?
Go what?
No, I was just lost because I fell and like.
Look, I'm all the way up here.
Nice, bro.
Where is it in the table?
Bro, that was.
This is where I fell.
I'm coming. I'm almost to you. Did you beat your record?
No!
No, bro. I just saw you. No.
Back in the slide, I'm jumping.
No, bro. Don't give up. You made it even farther. Every time you'll get farther, bro. That means don't give up. Because then you're not going to get any more higher. You get higher every time, bro. Don't give up. Oh, I might get my new record.
When are you gonna make it up?
I don't know. Bro, that was scary. I know. What? Yeah? Okay. Bro, this is scary. Dude, I see you.
I am raising you up. Oh.
Make it up there. I didn't realize I could do that the entire time.
No!
I'm so scared, bro.
I'm crashing my game.
You can't. Unless you leave, bro.
Because I'm constantly, miserably failing. I'm never gonna make it past to my high score.
No, I fell. But I got saved.
EVE.
I got saved.
SAT. Well, what? What? Can I have a cookie and milk? Milk.
And
S.
dang it.
SK. SC.
Bro.
Yo, you made it there. I'm coming there. Hi, I'm here.
Yeah, hi.
Wait, are you even recording this? Because I'm not.
Yeah,
Time to crash
I'm
my
recording
fucking
this.
game.
Guys, I'm recording this, right? We're gonna go to secret tunnel. Where is that secret tunnel?
Is that Rizing tunnel?
Okay, it's more over here. weak.
Ask.
See secret tunnel. I see it. I found secret tunnel.
I found visiting tunnel. Moaning tunnel.
Okay.
Tunnel.
It's like,
What's that so-called secret visiting tunnel? Okay, maybe I'm not gonna be caught.
okay, come on. A little bit more. Bro, I can't see it.
Bit more?
Okay.
Now?
Yeah.
Now?
Wait, no. God, no!
Huh?
We're in secret tunnel. Wait.
We're in! Wait.
Secret tunnel was there the entire time? Bruh. Well, anyway, that's gonna be the end of today's video, guys. Even though I didn't make it. There will be a part 2 of this coming soon, right? Yummy coconut! Yummy. But anyway, subscribe and like and subscribe for part 2. Ah!